Hello. Have you received an objection on your design registration application, or do you need to challenge an already registered design? Filings Corner is here to help you navigate the design objection process with ease and expertise. With our team of chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and IP experts, we ensure that your design rights are protected and upheld, minimizing risks of rejection or infringement. What is a design objection? A design objection is raised when a design application does not fully comply with the Designs Act, 2000 or conflicts with existing designs. Objections may be raised by the design office examiner during the review process due to lack of originality, similarity to prior designs, or incorrect classification. Third parties who believe the design infringes on their existing design rights after it is published. If your design faces an objection, a design objection can delay your registration or even lead to rejection. Common reasons for objections include lack of originality, if your design resembles another registered design, incorrect classification, misclassification under the Locarno classification system, non-compliance with the Designs Act, if the design is functional rather than aesthetic, use of protected symbols, including flags, national emblems, or offensive imagery. Our services, case analysis. We review the objection notice and explain the next steps. Drafting a strong response. We prepare detailed replies addressing all concerns, supporting evidence, submitting proof of novelty, uniqueness, and prior rights. Legal representation. We represent you in hearings and communications with authorities. If you want to object to a design. If you believe that a registered design or a pending application infringes on your existing rights, you have the right to file an objection. Our services, design search, conducting a prior art search to identify conflicts. Drafting the objection notice, a well-structured legal document challenging the design. Representation, presenting strong arguments and legal evidence in hearings. Regular follow-ups, ensuring a timely and favorable resolution. Timelines for design objections, response to examiner's objection, 30 days from the issuance date. Response to third-party objections, typically 2 to 3 months after design publication. Failure to respond leads to rejection of the design application. At Filings Corner, we handle objections quickly and accurately to avoid delays and complications. Documents required for design. Objection services. For responding to an objection. Objection notice from the design office. Proof of novelty. Evidence that the design is unique. Classification details. Correct category as per Locarno classification. Power of attorney. Authorization for legal representation. For filing a design objection against another design, prior design proof to establish infringement. Technical drawings and visuals to demonstrate similarity. Legal grounds for opposition, citing specific laws and precedents. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert guidance. Our team specializes in intellectual property law. Timely and accurate responses. We ensure that objections are handled within deadlines. Tailored strategies. Custom solutions to suit your business needs. Transparent pricing. No hidden costs. Affordable service packages. Complete legal support, from filing objections to final resolutions. Proven success. Hundreds of clients have trusted us to defend their designs. Get expert assistance today. Whether you are defending your design or objecting to a conflicting one, Filings Corner ensures a smooth and hassle-free resolution. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to protect your designs today. Filings Corner, your trusted partner in design protection.